Hey guys, welcome to Adventures with Carlienne. I'm Adrienne, and thanks for joining us on this cooking series, where we get to share all the things that we love to do and eat in the kitchen. This January, we're doing an egg challenge, so every single day, we're cooking eggs a different kind of way. Let's get started.
Recording.
The American omelet. Now you're probably thinking what the hell an American omelet is. And basically it's an omelet made in America. An American omelet is usually cooked for a bit longer than a French omelet, and you want a golden brown skin or outer layer so there's a slight crunch to it. You can fill it with anything you want, and you usually find it in your local diner. But let's just go ahead and cook some.